Sif number 7. Before Krias Shema, when one recites V'chayenu, he should take his tzitzis in a hand and fold them through the recitation of the Shema in his left hand between the fourth and the little finger. Okay, opposite his heart. So let's read the commentary and we're going to explain. The last part of the blessing of Rabbi before Shema contains the phrase, bring us in peacefulness from the four corners of the earth. So there is a last blessing before the Shema. So what do you do? You take your tzitzis, right? And you put all four of them. I'm not going to put all four of them between this the little finger and the fourth finger, right? And then you hold it through first paragraph, second paragraph, and on the third paragraph, you put it like you hold it with two hands, or at least with right hand. Okay, so and when you do it, exactly what it says, you ask HaShem to bring us from all four corners of the world. Okay. Continue. When he reaches the words Vayomer, which contains the mitzvah of tzitzis, meaning the third paragraph, he should hold them in his right hand as well. Okay. And when he recites the word Uri same or so, and that you may see the tzitzis, he should place them upon his eyes. And he should look at them and kiss them. So and see them. So how do we do it? So we placed in one eye another one, and then we kiss. That's what we do with all of the four tzitzis. So it's sgula actually for a good vision actually. Also, to continue, the custom described here involved that tzitzis are all expression of love for a mitzvah. Okay. Our custom is that every time one mentions the tzitzis in a Shema, he kisses them. Okay, so it's like 3 times or so. So you kiss the tzitzis, but to the eyes you put it to the eyes and the mouth. He holds them until he recites the words "V'nachamadim la'at," delightful forever, in the blessing of Emes Vayatziv. At this point, he kisses them and releases them from his hand. So basically, this is clearly indicated in our Siddur. So when you get to this place, it's like a blessing after the Shema, you kiss the tzitzis and you release them. So, but until then, until that point, you hold them in your hand.